Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In the last few videos, we covered set operations like union, intersect, and except. Today, we're moving on to another important concept, subqueries in BigQuery. So, what exactly is a subquery? A subquery is simply a query written inside another query. You can think of it as a query within a query. It provides data to the outer query, either for filtering, calculating, or shaping the results. Let's look at our first example. Suppose we want to find all customers who have placed at least one order. Instead of using a join, we can use a subquery in the where clause with the exists keyword. Select customer ID, customer name. From customers C, where exists, select 1. From orders O, where O, customer ID equals C, customer ID. Here, the inner query checks if a matching order exists for each customer. If it does, that customer is included in the final output. Now let's look at another use case. Suppose we want to display each customer along with the total number of orders they've placed. We can do this with a subquery in the select clause. Select customer ID, customer name. Select count, asterisk, from orders O, where O, customer ID equals C, customer ID. As total orders, from customers C. Here, the subquery counts the number of orders for each customer and returns it as a new column in the result. So, subqueries can be used for filtering results, as in the first example, or for adding calculated values, as in the second. And that's a quick introduction to subqueries in BigQuery. We started with a definition, then saw two examples. One using a subquery in the where clause, and one in the select clause. In the next video, we'll explore common table expressions, or CTEs, which make queries easier to read and manage. Thanks for watching Data Engineering with Avaneeth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.